अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, आई होप यू ऑल आर फाइन। आज की वीडियो में हम मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट ईमेल एमसीक्यूज के पार्ट 3 को डिस्कस करेंगे। अगर अभी तक आप लोगों ने इससे पहले वाले पार्ट्स नहीं देखे तो उसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा। तो चलिए आज की एमसीक्यू स्टार्ट करते हैं। आज का हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज अ टिपिकल फाइल साइज लिमिट फॉर ईमेल अटैचमेंट। टिपिकल ईमेल की फाइल साइज की लिमिट क्या है? ऑप्शन ए 5 MB, ऑप्शन बी 10 MB, ऑप्शन सी 25 MB, ऑप्शन डी 50 MB। The correct answer is option C, 25 MB. Most email services allow attachment up to 25 MB. Larger files may require cloud storage links. Question number 2. What is the spam folder used for in email clients? Option A, storing important emails. Option B, storing emails that are flagged as junk or unsolicited. Option B, storing sent messages. Option D, storing drafts. The correct answer is option B, storing emails that are flagged as junk or unsolicited. The spam folder is where unwanted or suspicious emails are stored. Question number 3 is, what does the send button do in an email application? Option A, archives the email. Option B, saves the email as a draft. Option C, send the email to the intended recipient. Option D, deletes the email. The correct answer is option C, sends the email to the intended recipient. By clicking send, delivers the email to the recipients. Question number 4 is, which of the following is a common email protocol for receiving emails? Option A, SMTP. Option B, IMAP. Option C, FTP. Option D, HTTP. The correct answer is option B, IMP. The IMAP Internet Message Access Protocol is commonly used to receive emails, allowing users to access their messages from multiple devices. Question number 5 is, which email etiquette rule you should follow when replying to a group email? Option A, always reply to only the person who emailed you. Option B, keep your responses short and to the point. Option C, use informal language for a casual tone. Option D, never use reply all. The correct answer is option B, keep your response short and to the point. It is important to be concise and stay relevant to the subject in group emails. Question number 6 is, what does the signature feature in an email program allow you to do? Option A, add a personalized message before sending an email. Option B, add a preset closing with your name and contact information. Option C, automatically reply to all incoming emails. Option D, adds a signature that verifies your identity. The correct answer is option B, add a preset closing with your name and contact information. An email signature provides a standardized professional ending to your message. Question number 7 is, what is the meaning of phishing in the context of email security? Option A, sending emails to sell legitimate products. Option B, sending unsolicited emails asking for personal information. Option C, sending random jokes and memes. Option D, replying to suspicious emails. The correct answer is option B, sending unsolicited emails asking for personal information. Question number 8 is, which of the following is considered proper email etiquette when addressing a superior? Option A, using their first name. Option B, using informal language. Option C, using their full name with a respectful greeting. Option D, not addressing them at all. The correct answer is option C, using their full name with a respectful greeting. Question number 9 is, what should you do if you mistakenly send an email to the wrong person? Option A, sends another email with the correct recipient's address. Option B, immediately send a follow-up email explaining the mistake. Option C, delete the email. Option D, ignore the mistake and hope no one notices. The correct answer is option B, immediately send a follow-up email explaining the mistake. A prompt apology or clarification email is the best way to handle such situations. Last question is, which of these is considered a proper email subject line for a job application? Option A, hey, look at this job. Option B, job application marketing manager position. Option C, I need a job. Option D, urgent job application. The correct answer is option B, job application marketing manager position. A professional and clear subject line ensure the email is taken seriously. ये थी हमारी आज की वीडियो। आई होप आपको वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। इस तरह के मजीद MCQs के लिए आप हमारी वेबसाइट myMCQs.net विजिट कर सकते हैं। मिलते हैं आपसे अगली वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।